Yeah. Okay. So as per the scenario, okay, my scenario is, let's say I have the cat, ABC, I have the file. My header, it should
Yeah.
be today date is 21/12/2016, and it has the some data records. Finally, it has the how many records of data it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 records, right? Okay, 6 records.
But
Yeah.
no, actually, it should be 5, right?
Yeah, yeah, sorry, it
Uh,
should be 5. It should be 5. Yeah,
yeah.
it should be 5. Okay, that is our requirement, right? So
Mm.
the first thing is we need to take the header into one variable and footer into one variable, right? So how can you take the
Yeah.
footer? Let's say if I say cat ABC and WC minus L, so it will give the lines, right? So I need to do
Yes.
minus 2, right? So I need to
Yes.
uh, remove the header and footer. So I need to do minus 2. So what is the output I got it? I need to do minus 2, then I will get the footer. Then I will check the header and footer is same or not, right? So let's say
Yeah.
vi abc.sh, this is the my script. Okay.
Mm.
For a header, I am creating a variable like h equal to, it is the date, right? Date
Mm.
plus mod D format and then M format and then Y format, right? So my footer equal to uh, it's a cat file name, right? ABC and WC minus L, right? So what is the actual footer? So I need to do minus 2, right? So actually this is,
Actually, for the yeah.
yeah, actually F is nothing but it will give the records, but I need to do minus 2, right?
Okay, number of records. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, yes. Then dollar FO equal to, I can write it like this way, right? EXPR dollar F minus 2. So I can write it, right?
My dollar F minus 2. Okay.
Okay. So then I will write a statement if uh, yeah. So this is about header and this is about footer. Uh,
Mm.
so I am getting from right. So then so I need to take the header and footer from the actual value, right? So from the file,
Yeah.
right? So header from file equal to
Head
cat
minus 1.
abc, yeah, cat abc head minus 1, right? Footer,
Mm.
actual footer from file,
Okay.
actual file equal to cat abc tile minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Then I need to check if my header is actual header is, it should be $h, right? $h,
Mm-hmm.
$h is equal to what is the header from the file? HF, right?
Which yeah. Dollar.
Dollar HF. Okay. And footer, actual footer from our calculation is F4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dollar F4 equal to dollar FF, right?
Okay. Yeah. Dollar FF.
Yeah. Then I can say echo valid, right? Valid file, right?
Yeah.
Else, even if it is header is correct, footer is not correct. Even footer is correct, header is not correct. In any case, so it will go to else part and echo file is invalid, right? Then I am closing the app file. Okay.
Okay.
If I go shabc.sh, yeah, here it is showing that your expression is wrong. So I need to go vi abc.sh line 3, 1, 2, 3. It is saying that, okay, it is expr, right? Not t.
Okay.
Okay. So Yeah, it is showing that file is invalid. Let me change my file VA ABC. So if I give 7, if I give 5, it will work, right? So my data
Yeah.
records is 5. Then it should
Mhm.
show, and date, what is the date? It is the 21. Okay, then it should be show it as the file is the valid, right?
Mhm.
So now it is showing that file is valid, right? You got it?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
actually what I have done is, so first thing is what is my header and what is my footer? So my header should be today's date. So I have taken the date. It's as per my requirement. And what is a footer? Footer is nothing but what is the total number of records? We need to do minus do. That is the actual footer. This is for our requirement. So I created two variables, okay, and I assigned the values to there. One is the header, that is head, it should be the date, okay, and footer equal to total records in the file, and again I am doing minus 2 because when I do the footer it will not uh, uh, count the header record, right? So it will give the number of data records. So then actually I am taking the what is the file it is getting. So what is the header it is getting from the file? This is the header value. Okay, what is the footer we got from the file? This is the footer value. Okay, then I will compare my header should be like this way and my footer equal to this one, then only it is the valid, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So today, yes,
Mhm.
Ravi, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, actually, instead of what is that? What I did is to get that number of lines,
okay.
I used grep, like grep to minus C and A to Z. So I get only the alphabet lines, right? Not the numbers. So I got number 5. You got me?
Yeah, 1 second, let me tell it. Grep, okay,
Grep minus C,
minus E,
minus C,
okay, okay,
A to Z, A to Z.
and file name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, but this is the it will not work for all the records. Maybe my some records have the only numeric values. So at that time it will not
Okay.
work, right? My data record
Yeah.
it is not like that. It should be A to Z. Okay. Suppose if I have the some customer ID, only customer ID it has.
Yeah.
So okay, that is
Okay.
okay. It will work for this scenario. But like suppose if my file has the only the customer ID and login ID. So in that scenario,
Mm.
so we don't have the character values, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, otherwise you can do one thing, A to Z
Mm.
and 0 to 9. You can use egrep. So my file may be, it may be, so not like that. So here it is taking as two characters, right? So we need to use fgrep to search the multiple patterns at a time. My file should have A to Z or 0 to 9. So at this scenario, 0 to 9 it will count these records as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. You have any doubts on this script?
No.
Oh,
I got it.
yeah. Okay, okay. So today we'll discuss about the while loop. What is a while loop? Okay. So I will give the simple example of while loop. Generally, what is the looping? Generally, for loop or while loop, what we'll do? Initially, we will declare I equal to 0. Then I will do I plus plus. Okay. Till I less than or equal to 10. So what does that mean? Initially, I value equal to 0. Okay. Till I less than or equal to 10. Run the loop 0 I plus plus 0 1 2 3 like that, right? So this is the normal loop. So if you take that while loop, it's also it is the same va abc a dot sh. Okay, so while is also same. Suppose I equal to 1, the syntax is you need to write while and condition. Okay, then dollar I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, then we have the syntax do, and we have the set of statements and done. Okay, so echo I value is $i. Okay, okay, done. Okay, this is my script. Okay, cat a dot sh. Okay, what I'm saying is this is I equal to 1. Now it entered into the loop. Okay, till I less than or equal to 10. Now it is 1, right? Then go here. Now I equal to 1. Then again it will come. Okay, here also I equal to 1. Okay,
Mhm.
then it will display I equal to 1. Again it is 1. We need to do increment, right? Then only it will run in the loop.
Okay.
If I simply give I equal to 1, it will display, right, cat a dot sh. So it is showing that line 2 it was incorrect.
Like we need to give I equal to I plus 1 something.
Yeah, we need to give that. Okay, so 1 second. Now the at least it has to show the I equal to 1. That is also not showing. Line 2, no such file or directory. While $i do done. So echo I equal to no such file or directory. EA use.sh. Okay, we'll do one thing. I equal to expr $i plus 1. WHF while $i less than 10. Okay, otherwise we'll do one thing. LT. We'll give LT, right? Less than. sh eajava dot sh. Command not found. 1. We are getting 1 there. So $i we are getting 1. So this is 1, right?
Mhm.
Okay, $i is less than 10. Do done. Okay, between do and done, the set of statements will execute. So here generally what we'll do is, this is we are using for loop. So we need to increment it, right? Otherwise there is a no use. If you didn't increment, so again it will come the set of statement will execute. It will go to infinite loop, right? So it continuously executing because I value is not incrementing. Every time it is I less than 10. 1 is always 10, less than 10. It's uncontinuously, it will execute the same loop in infinite loop. Yeah, I value equal to $i, that is correct. While $i, everything is correct. While do done. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me Google it. While loop. Okay, this is 10. While command do done. Okay. Okay, it's not open braces. Okay, we need to give the square braces. So 1 less than or equal to command not found. Syntax error near unexpected. Token do. Okay. Okay. Command not found. Okay. Oh, nine. It is not. Line number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Echo is correct, right? Echo. I value is equal to dollar $i. Okay, I equal to. Okay. So now it is coming, right? Okay. So basically, this is our script name. So basically, looping is nothing but initially we will declare one value, then it will enter the loop, it will check that. So this value is less than 10. Then between do and done, the statements will execute. So within the statement, so we need to write another statement to increment the loop, right? So if the every time I equal to 1, so the loop will run the infinite times, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there is no ending for this loop. So basically, what is this looping is required? In which scenarios we will use this looping? So it's not just about the print I equal to 1, I equal to 2, not like that, right? So in actually which scenarios it is used to use. This is a simple loop. So generally we have the while. So anything, if is not a loop, right? If is different, it will check the conditional check. It will check that this value equal to this or not. Then the set of statement will execute. Then else of some set of statement will execute. So this is the continuously read the line by line, right? One by one, it will run. So in which scenarios will use this looping? Suppose let's say I have a file cat abc. Okay, I have the file. So I want to check each record. I want to take the first record. I want to take the second record. I want to take the third record. I want to take the fourth record. So my requirement is, uh, yeah, my requirement is, let's say, uh, I have your file. Okay. So I will explain you why, in which scenarios we will use the while statement. Uh, okay. Let's say I have your file. Okay. I have your file. My file is one is the US and second one is the UK and third one is the HK and fourth one is the US, again HK, and next one is the US. So from this records, okay, what I need to is, so in the file, so I will check the records, whereas my first, yeah, so I have the some data, right? Uh, yeah, I will take another example. So my file has, yeah, okay, okay, VI ABC, okay. Suppose my file has, it has the US and some data records. Okay, then I have UK, then again I have US, UK, US, UK. Okay, cat ABC. So here, so here I need to see my sound is echoing for me. 1 second. Hello.
Yeah.
So 1 second. Hello.
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 Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. Yeah. So here my requirement is uh, the record. So my first field is it will indicate that this record related to US data, because first two First field in the record, if it is the US, this is the US record. It is UK record. So I will read the record one by one from the file, and I will take the first two characters. If it is the US, the data will be that data I need to uh, keep it in US file, us.txt. Okay. For UK records, okay, I will move the records to uk.txt. So what will do that? You got the requirement. So in the file, I have some set of records. So in the file, I have some set of records. For each records, if I take the first field value, if it is the US, those records will be moved to us.txt. If my record started with UK, the first field is I have UK. The record will be moved to uk.txt. Okay. So whenever I have run the script cat abc, the file will be there. Again, two files will be created. One is the us.txt and the next one is the uk.txt. In us.txt files, I have this record, and this record. In uk.txt, I have this record and this record and this record. So how can you do it?
So we need to.
You have to run the whole record through while, right?
Sorry?
You have to run the whole record through while loop.
Yeah, yes. So how can you read it from first record and second record and third record?
We need to key the numbers.
So I
Key
will
the
do
numbers.
okay. So yeah, we will go to the each record, and again I need to take the first field value, right? If it is the US, then only it will go. That means again I need to again I use to if condition, right? So so here the scenario is first I need to get the first record and will check. I need to use the while statement and if statement, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Before yeah. So I will write a script vj.sh, right? So till which number the loop has to be run? Okay, so I will do one thing. So so before go to that scenario, we'll work on another scenario. It will use it to develop the script to that scenario. So now I have the file ABC, right? Leave about UK, US, and everything. So my output, my requirement is I want that uh, uh, um I want the output like record. Leave about the scenario. Record number one equal to I have that record content. Okay, then record 2 equal to I need to display the record 2 value. You got it? So this is I have the ABC file. Okay, when I run the script, it has to be tell that the record number 1 value equal to this one. The record number 2 is equal to this one, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have the ABC file. So generally what we'll do, right, suppose I equal to 1. Okay, generally we will tell that I equal to 1. Okay, I can say while $i less than equal to. So do you know how many records we have in the file to define less than I can't. So in the ABC file I have 10. So you can say that. So my file has the 5 records. Give I less than 5. So it will come the first record and second record, third record, right? So do we know how many the records the file has? We don't know, right? Okay, so clear. So for record count, I will do one thing for record count. So cat ABC, then WC minus L. This is the record count, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so my file will start with I equal to 1. That means it will get the first record, right? So it will run till $i less than or equal to $rc, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and second one is do, and how to get the first record value equal to, so what is the first record? So head minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So head minus, we will not directly give 1. Here we need to give $1. That means for first initially it is 1. Okay. So head minus 1 file name. Okay. Head minus 1, and this is the file name ABC. Okay. If I give head minus 1, it will give the first record. If I give the head minus 2, it will not give the second record, right? It will give the first 2 records. You got it?
Yes. Yeah, I got it.
Record value head minus 1. Okay, I will get the first record. Then head minus 2. I will get the first 2 records. But my requirement is second record, right? We need to give tile minus 1.
Okay.
Okay. So if my I value equal to 3, I want the third record head minus 3 equal to first 3 records, and again tile minus 1. I will get the only third record, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then this is the echo record number 1, right? So this is the $i equal to, this is the $rv, right? What is the value in the v? That is the record value, right?
Yeah.
$rv. Okay, then we need to do increment I value. I equal to expr $i, okay, plus 1, right? Done. Okay, let's execute it. We'll see what happens. Okay, sh va jay dot sh. So it is showing line 3, 1, 2, 3.
Minus idea.
Yeah, minus, we need to give minus, right? So it is, I think it is executing in infinite loop or something like that. Okay, va vj dot sh. So my requirement I equal to 1. Okay, so why I need to, what is the significance of I value is to get the record 1, record 2, record 3, head minus 1, head minus 2, head minus 3, till there. So what is the total record count? Till there. So we need to run the loop. So this is the record count. I got ABC, WC minus L. So till that, if I give head minus 1, it's not head minus 1, right? It's head minus I. Okay, this is also head my record $i, right? Okay, so I equal to 1 initially, I need the first record value, second record value. How can you get first record? Head minus 1, tile 1. Okay, then head minus 2, tile 2, head minus 3, tile 3, head minus 4, tile 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the significance of I value. So I will run a loop I equal to initially 1 till head minus 1, head minus 2, head minus 3, head minus 4, till when the loop ends. So that's why I have count the total record count till, suppose let's say if my record count is 5, so it stopped at 5, head minus 5, that is the last. It will not go for head minus 6. Okay, so if I take the record 1, record 2, my general command is head minus 1, tile 1, head minus 2, tile 2, second record, head minus 3, tile 3, head minus 4, tile 4. So this is my record. I will reading the record one by one from the file. So how can I increment this one? Head minus 1, 2, 3. So I have given value I, head minus 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, till when it should be end. So that's why I have taken the record count. If I may record, I have 5. So my last value is head minus 5, tile 1. It will not increment for 6. So that's why I will take the record count. Okay. You got it? What is the significance of I? How we are reading the one by one record from file? You are getting, or you have any queries?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, we got it, right? Okay. So if I give cat ABC, so this is the records, right? I have the 6 records. So I got it the records, right?
Okay.
Okay. So then our next scenario is, what does it mean? Suppose in the next scenario, first we need to read the line. Okay. Once you read the line, we need to take the first 2 characters, right? First field.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, okay, I am successfully reading the record. RV is the my record, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then my thing is shift A. Okay. Then I need to RV, it has the one value, right? So I need to do the first 2 characters. Or you can do one thing. So head minus 1 ABC the file name. This is our we get our first record, right? Okay. Again in the first record I am saying that, okay, in the first record again I am saying that cut minus F, right? Cut minus the, and my delimiter is this one. I am saying that minus F1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is it right? Right. So I got the first record. Okay, again I am cut the first field from the record. Okay, so we'll execute this one. So I am getting, right, I am getting the first record. So here what is my requirement? If my first record equal to US, then it will go to some other file, right? So if it is the US, again I need to take the first record value also, right? So for checking, this is the record value first field. I am getting this one. What about the record value? Okay, suppose it is the US. What is the first record? First record. So again, I need to take. This is for record check. Okay, first field. This is for record check, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the actual our value? Record value is head minus 1 tile. This is our value, right? Okay, this is our value, right? So here I need to write a before, so this echo is not required for me. Okay, so here I need to write a if statement, right? Again, if, okay, if dollar $RC, right? Dollar $RC,
equal to
yeah, dollar $RC double equal to US, right?
yeah.
US. US, then what is the value of then echo? What is the value in the record value? Dollar $RC, right? Dollar $RB, right? So this value will be loaded into us.txt, right? Okay. So if my record check first field, it is the US, then that record, then the value I am moving into us.txt. You got it?
Yeah, got it.
Else echo, here I am appending. Okay, here I am appending. Okay, because if I give override every time, that record only will be loaded, right? If I have the 3 records,
Yes.
first record will be loaded into us.txt. Next time it will override, delete the existing record and it will override, right? So that's why I have given append. So here also we have the one issue, I will let you know. So let's say echo, okay, echo else dollar $RB, right? Record value is uk.txt, right? Then F5, okay?
Okay.
Okay, cat ABC is my file, ls minus lrt, okay, sh vj.sh. So line 3, it is saying that line 3 va vj.sh 1, 2, 3. This is correct, right? $I is less than record count. Okay. So if you see, I have used the record count and record check. I have used the same variable, right? Actually, we need to change the. We need to give a equal to 10 and a equal to 20, right? We need to change this parameter name, right?
Yeah.
So record count, I am using this variable RC. Again, the same variable I am using now in RC. Which value it is stored? So I have give it is RRC. Okay.
Yeah.
The record count check. Okay. Yeah. Script is executing. So if you see, if the script is executing, we can't enter any other command. So that's why we'll run it in the background. Okay, that is good. Yeah. Okay, this is the cat ABC, cat us.txt. I have file cat uk.txt. I have loaded the UK files. Okay. Okay. So why I have the only 3 records, 4 records. Okay, this 4 records and 3 records, right? So if you think if I run the script next time, so again the data will be there. Again the data will be append, right?
Yeah.
Because not that is not the scenario, right? You got it?
Yes.
So this is the my file.
But
Today I had run. Now it is distributed the US and US records like this way. And tomorrow in the ABC we don't have these records. We don't have the other records. So based on the records, it will load this data into the US and UK. So as per my script, I have given append. So it will append these records. These records I don't need, right? And tomorrow I don't need. But next day I don't need. So then what we'll do? Suppose let's say if I execute the same script, suppose in the cat, if I execute the same script, vj.tsh, so cat us.txt, previous records already there. So new records will be append here. It's not like that, right? Today I have the 10 records, 5 records are US and 5 records are UK. Okay, it is loaded. When I run the next time, my ABC file is not same every time, right?
yeah.
If it is the same every time, why need to write a script? Okay, then tomorrow when you run the script, existing files will be deleted, right?
It's
Files, US and UK files will be deleted. Before run the script, the files will be deleted, right? Then the latest data, again it will create the 2 files. Existing data will be deleted and for next run, right?
yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So then we'll use vj.sh. So before run the script, I am doing what I am doing rm -f us.txt. Okay, rm -f uk.txt. What it will do before run the script, existing files will be deleted. The data will be deleted. So every time, based upon the ABC file, it will take the US records and UK records. Got it?
Yeah.
You got it? What is the requirement of remove command I have given in the script?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So if you say, so now, like this is the US, right? Cat us.txt. Okay, again if I run vj.sh, so I have this different records, right? It's not append, right? You got it?
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yes.
we'll do one thing. Otherwise, we can do one thing. So without deleting the files, suppose today my file is US. If I give my date, if I append it with the date to 12/21/2016.txt. Okay, when you run the script on next day, now again the file is created 22/12/2016. Then we can't delete, we no need to delete any file, right? Every day we can see. So what is the data in the US file and 21 run and 22 run. Every day whenever the script is running, so it will create the file with this name. So this is also we can do it, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So vi dot sh. So without deleting this one, what I'm doing is my date. Okay, dt equal to date plus $d $m percentage capital I. This is the date. If you want to give the, when the script is executing, it will capture the this one, right? If you want to capture the hours and minutes also, you can give it. Okay, US dollar dt dollar dt. So when a script is executing, the file is created US with this date, right? cat.vj.sh. So while I am loading the data, I am saying that what is the dt value? This is the current date. So the value substitute here. That's it, right? So yes, this is the date. When you run it on tomorrow, the files will be 22 UK 22 US 22, and after tomorrow US 23 UK 23 like that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the finally the summarized of the session is, do you understand what is the requirement of looping? So looping is mainly used to read the data from your file. Then you can write checks. You can write if statements or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mosaic, you have any queries?
No, Vijay, it's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, good. So I will give one scenario to you. Yeah, okay. I will give one scenario to you. Let's say, so create one directory. Okay. Okay. So this is now I am in mobile extern, right? Suppose I am created directory mkdir us under us. Okay, mkdir rk. Oh, sorry, rmdir yes r chiv mkdir rk. Okay, so now if you see in the us we have the again directory called rk, right? cd rk.
Yeah.
So my requirement is, let's say in home mobile extern home us folder. Okay, in home mobile extern us folder, this is the one folder we have, and there is us archive, right? This is the one folder, right? Suppose my requirement is, like, suppose I have placed two files. One is the a.txt and b.txt, c.txt. So now three files I have keep three files in home mobile extern us directory. When you run the script, these files will be moved to here. Okay, so when I say that files are moved, is nothing but the files will be not here, right?
Yes.
Okay, files is moved, and at the same time it should be append the date. Suppose it is the 21/12/2016 underscore. Okay, it will append the date, and the files will be moved to your archive directory. You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
When I run the script, what is the files are available in the US directory? Those files are moved to archive directory. But while it is doing the archive, data has to be append before the file name. Okay. So this is the first time. So next time when I run the script, now there is no files, right? All the files will be moved. What is the files are available in the US directory? When you run the script, all the files will be moved to archive with date append. Okay. So now again I put a file abc bbc. Now I have the only, now these two files, right? When you run the script, okay, again the same. It's like the same. So ABC and BBC. So the files will be moved to here to there. You got the requirement,
Mhm.
or you have any queries on this? Okay, so the thing is, it's a simple. When I run the script, what is the files are available in this directory? All the files will be moved here and with date append, right? When I run the script first time, I have the only ABC files. Those files will be moved here and date append. Next time when I run the script, I have the only two files available, ABC and BBC. Those files will be moved to here.
Okay.
Okay, you have any query on the scenario?
So whenever we run the script, whatever files available in US folder should move into the RT folder.
Exactly. With date append. With date append, the files will be moved.
Yeah, with data pen.
Okay. So what is your step one? First, you need to, what is the files are available in your US folder? You need to get the file names and keep it to a one file. My file name equal to, that means my file name .txt is a file. So in the file, it should have the file names. What is the files are available in the US folder. Then you need to write a one by one. You need to read the file names.file. My first file is ABC. Then we need to write the move command, move ABC to that archive directory with date append. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we'll have session at 7 o'clock. At 7:30.
Okay.
Okay.